Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wasay here, and today in this video I am going to show you how you can download and install Windows 11 for free. So this is a complete step-by-step guide where I will show you how you can download Windows 11 from the official Microsoft website, how you can make a bootable USB, and how you can install it on your Windows laptop or Windows machine. So let's begin the video. For this, you are going to need a total of 2 to 3 things. First of all, your Windows laptop or machine in which you want to install the new Windows 11. Secondly, a USB drive which has at least 8 GB of storage, and you should not have any personal data in the USB because it will be formatted. Third, you need a good internet connection because we are going to download the Windows from the internet first, and its size is around 7 to 8 GB. Lastly, if you are going to reinstall Windows on a laptop that is already working and it has your personal data like this one, then you should back up your data first to an external drive so that if something goes wrong, your data is still secure. In my case, I have this another laptop which does not have anything inside it and it does not have any operating system. So we're going to clean install Windows 11 in it. Now for that case, you need to have a machine where you can access the internet, download Windows and make the bootable drive. So for that I am using this laptop. Again, you can use the same laptop if it already has a Windows installed so that you can back up your old data and make the new Windows 11 bootable USB using this. Anyways, let's move towards our Windows machine which already has Windows. On your Windows machine, you are going to open any browser and search for Windows 11 download. The first website will be from Microsoft. Open this website. Now we are going to simply scroll down until we see the option download Windows 11 disk image or ISO for x64 devices. So if you have an ARM64 device, you are going to select this option, but since I have an Intel based CPU, I will select this option, and from the drop down it will only have one option which is Windows 11. Just select it and click on confirm. Now it will ask you to select your product language. In my case it's English, United States. After that, click on confirm. You will see download Windows 11 64-bit download. Click on this download button. You can see the download size is around 7.9 GB, so it will take some time to download. You're going to open another tab and search for Rufus download. The first website will be this one. Just open it. Basically, we will use this software to create a bootable USB drive which will have our Windows 11, and from that we can install it on our other Windows machines. So we are going to simply scroll down. You can see here we have different releases. If you are on Windows x64, just select this option and it will start the download process. Once both the things are downloaded, we are going to connect our external USB drive which has at least 8 GB of free storage. Now we are going to right click on Rufus and run it as an administrator. Click on no. Here you can see it is showing my external USB drive which I have connected. Make sure you have selected the correct one. Now we need to select our Windows 11 ISO file which we just downloaded, which is this one right here. So we are going to click on select. In my case it's under downloads. Select the ISO file, click on open. The partition scheme and all of these will be same. You don't need to change anything. Just click on start. So we are going to click on OK. It's telling that all the data, if we have any on our external USB, will be erased. So make sure to back up your data first if it has any. Click on OK. Clearing, and now it will make our external USB as a bootable USB which we can use to install Windows. And it should not take much time depending on your machine. So after like 7 to 10 minutes, you can see it has been completed and we see ready. We don't need to click on start again, we can simply close it. And now If you go to this PC, look at your external drive, you can see you have this little Windows icon, and if we just simply open it, we have all of our Windows 11 files, which means we have successfully created our bootable Windows 11 USB drive. Now you're going to click on this up icon, right click on it, and we're going to eject our external USB which has the Windows 11. Now what we are going to do is to use this bootable drive to install Windows 11 on my other laptop. Here is my laptop which needs the new Windows 11 installation. So before you do anything, I highly recommend that you plug in the power so that the laptop is always getting power when we are installing Windows, because we don't know what is the battery percentage on the laptop. Now here is the USB drive which we just made bootable with the Windows 11 setup. We're going to connect on any of the USB drives on our laptop, and here I have a HP laptop. So in order to open the boot menu, the key is escape. So if you're on a Dell or another laptop, you need to check how to open the boot menu, meaning that which key to press. Since I have an HP laptop, I will click on the escape key immediately after the laptop powers on. So I'm going to power it on, click on the escape key continuously. Now we have this menu. If the camera can actually focus on it, we are interested in the boot menu, which is F9. We are going to click on F9. So here we have different options. We're going to select our external USB drive which has Windows 11. So if you are not seeing your external drive, just disconnect it, reconnect it to another port and retry the process. Now I have selected my external USB drive which has the Windows 11, and now it will boot it up from that drive. Here you can see language and the time, which is English United States. Click on next. The keyboard is US, and we are going to install Windows 11 because this laptop does not have any other data, as I have already cleared it. As you can see, the mouse or touchpad is not working of the laptop, mainly because I think it does not have any drivers. So I will plug in an external mouse, and yeah, now it's working. So these are the things that you might face. Agree and click on next. So if you have multiple partitions before, you need to clean them. Obviously I highly recommend to back up your data first. So I'm just going to remove these extra partitions that I have, because now I only need one partition. I'm going to select the partition and delete it because I have already backed up my data. And this is done. Make sure to remove the partitions of your drive that is actually inside your laptop, because the disk one is actually our external USB drive that we have connected. So do not delete these partitions, because Rufus or our external drive is using it, which has our Windows 11 setup. Anyways, you're going to select your main drive. We're going to click on create partition. I'm going to use the same partition, but you can divide it 1 2 3. By partition I mean how many spaces you want to have, like local disk, C, D, E, etc. So that's the thing. Okay, it has made the partitions. We're going to select the main big one, and since it is also our SSD, we're going to install Windows on this. Click on next and install Windows 11 Home. Keep nothing, install, and now it's going to install Windows on our laptop, and our PC may start several times, so we do not have to do anything until the installation process is completed. You can see my laptop has automatically restarted. Again, I will do nothing. Installing 0%. Please keep your computer on. Okay, Windows has been installed. We're going to select our country region. Yes. Yes. Skip. And I am not going to connect to the internet right now, because if you're going to do that, then Windows will first try to install all the updates and then you can log in, so you're actually stuck in the installation process. We can install the updates later when we're going to connect to the internet. You can name your PC anything. Next, enter a password. Okay, the privacy settings. So I'm just going to disable these options. You can enable them, it's up to you. Hi, getting things ready for you. So the screen will get the things set it up quite fast because we are not connected to an active internet connection. And once the installation completes, like if the trackpad is not working or any other devices, then just go to Windows settings and update your Windows. It will download all the necessary softwares to run your laptop or machine correctly. And you can see we have successfully installed Windows 11. So guys, if you like this step-by-step guide on how to download and install Windows 11, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel and follow me. Also, now we can easily remove the external USB drive that we connected which had Windows 11 because it is no longer needed. If you guys liked this video, make sure to like it. If you have any other questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.